Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I am your English teacher and this is our first session. Today we will start with English subject. This is your choral book and we will start with lesson number 1, Manu and his family. In this lesson we are going to study about a boy named Manu and his family. This is Manu. He lives in Ranchi. This is Manu's house. Now you can see this is Manu and he lives in Ranchi. Where is Ranchi? Ranchi is a city and it is located in Jharkhand state. His mother is a doctor. Her name is Veena Kumar. She works in Amber Hospital. Now you can see here she is Manu's mother and she is a doctor. You can see she is also wearing a uniform. Turning to next page. Manu's father is a teacher. His name is Ravi Kumar. He works in Central School. He is Manu's father and he is a teacher. Here is Manu with his family. He lives with his mother, his father, his grandpa, his grandma and his little sister Meeta. You can see here in this picture, this is Manu's family. Manu is sitting here. This is Manu's grandfather, grandmother, father, mother and little sister Meeta. Meeta is 10 months old. Manu loves to play with Meeta. You can see here Meeta is a small baby and she is 10 months old. Like every brother and sister, Manu also loves to play with her. Moving to next page. Manu has a dog called Spot. He is white and has a big black spot on him. This is Manu's dog and he is white. But you can see here he is having a black spot on him. Every morning Manu and Spot play in the garden. Manu throws a ball. Every morning what Manu does? He goes in the garden with Spot and they play with a ball. When Manu throws a ball, Spot runs after the ball. He wags his tail hard. He is happy to be outside. Now when Manu throws a ball, what Spot does? He runs after the ball. He likes to play with ball and he wags his tail hard. Wags his tail hard means this is his tail and he wags. Wags means he swings his tail. Just to show that he is very happy to be outside. In the evening, Manu takes Meeta out in her pram. They go to the park. Grandpa goes with them. Spot goes with them too. In the evening, Manu takes Meeta out in a pram. What is pram? It is a four-wheeled carriage for a baby in which we can carry baby anywhere. It is also called a stroller. Many boys and girls play in the park. Meeta sees them and laughs. Going to garden, what Manu does? Manu goes to play with his friends and seeing them, Meeta also enjoys and she starts laughing. Manu has many books. Every night his grandma reads to him. Manu likes to look at the words and pictures. Every night what Manu's grandma does? She tells him stories. She reads book for him. And Manu also like to look at the words and pictures. Manu is sleepy. He hugs his teddy bear and goes to sleep. Spot is sleepy too. Can you see him? Now you can see here Manu is sleepy. Why he is sleepy? After the whole day he is tired and now he goes to bed. And what he is having? He is having a small teddy bear. It is a small toy. He hugs his teddy bear and goes to sleep. And you can see here Spot is also there and he is sleepy too. This is the end of the lesson and you can see at the bottom of the page new words are given. I will read it. Family, house, mother, hospital, father, school, grandma, grandpa, garden, park. Hope you all understand the lesson. In next session, we will write question answers and objectives in English notebook. So prepare new notebook for English. Up till then, you study this lesson. So stay home, Stay safe and thank you.